So Shelby in New York is writing us, and she is thinking about bulbs and wants your guys' opinion on those.
Well, she's a little off on timing on this
Timing-wise,
since it is the spring. So you have to plan, right? So the best time to plant bulbs is in the fall.
Right.
And when you're thinking about that, you have to have a plan. You have to think color, height, and bloom times, right? So you don't want to put the 40 inchers and then have a 10-inch one in back of it. So it's all about sequence. When you do your design, and then when you put them in the hole, you might want to put more than one at a time if you want more impact.
That's
right?
what I love to do. Take a good group of 4 or 5 and plant them, and when they flower, it's like this big clump, and no one knows they'd only been there for 1 year.
Looks a little bit more natural.
No, you want natural. Take a handful of bulbs, throw them in the flower bed, wherever they land, that's where you plant them. I was taught that by
That's
a
a
landscape
really-
architect, yeah.
That's a great idea.
Yep.
The throw method.
Yeah.
Okay. So Shelby needs to be thinking about next season because she's missed the fall planting.
Yes.
Right.
They go in the fall, and then you have to just think about all those
And
different
and when she plans, she could look up like their heights and their bloom times, and you could even sketch it on a little piece of paper. You know, here's my layout. And so when you go to do it, you have a plan, because it's always good to have a plan.
Have a plan.
Have a plan.
Love to hear. Shelby will be happy to hear. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.